Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to connect your phone to a Chrysler Town and Country step by step. Start by powering the vehicle to accessory or run, enable Bluetooth on your phone, and open the phone pairing menu in the Uconnect or Infotainment system. When the system searches, select your phone name, confirm the PIN shown on both screens, and allow contacts and messages access so hands-free features work correctly while driving. In this video, I will show how to connect your phone to a Chrysler Town and Country step by step. Next, prepare your phone by updating system software, turning off interfering Wi-Fi or hotspot features, and unlocking the screen. Open Bluetooth settings and set the phone to discoverable so the vehicle can find it. Keep the phone near the dash and accept any permission prompts to sync contacts and enable hands-free calling during the pairing flow. In this video, I will show how to connect your phone to a Chrysler Town and Country step by step. Proceed to the vehicle phone or Bluetooth menu and pick Add Device, then wait as the system scans for your phone. Tap the vehicle name on your phone, compare and confirm the PIN on both displays, and accept pairing. Grant access to contacts and messages when prompted so voice calling and text notifications function smoothly while you drive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.